Welcome back my viewers, welcome back my subscribers, welcome back to the development of St. Thomas, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are gonna give a drive-through update from Springfield / Duane Pen and to Pondside in St. Thomas, Yala St. Thomas. Okay viewers, but we are not gonna give a straight, it's not a straight from Springfield straight to Pondside, no, because there are places on the road that no now go on. I will pass here a while. You understand viewers? Yes, I know no one to see that place. We are giving an officially drive-through one at a time. Yes, straight from around here. We are giving us a brace on yourself for that, and that one gonna be long. So you got to brace yourself for it. But in this video now I've said we are give an update. We are start from Springfield. Yes, and we're going to keep going at details out of Pondside on a nice little piece of wall that the gentleman might work on. We can have a full understanding about that wall and what's going to take place here. So in order to see that, let's continue watching the video now, viewers. Bless up on yourself, man. I hope you all enjoyed. Man, as I respect, continue watching the video. Bless up. So as on see the mall out at Duane Pen, so viewers. Yes, so for the mall, you know, next thing I'm going to oil it and sand it. And after that, you know, so asphalt I'm going to put on it. Okay, viewers? So just brace on yourself for that up. Continue watch the video. Welcome to White Horses viewers and subscribers. As you can see, not much going on around here, so yeah, them just dig out the corner cause you know them have the cable line and them look a thing there for run, so I guess that them want to deal with. So you know, not really much going on differently from them wide in the corner. We already shown you that already, so we're not gonna show you in this video again. We're gonna let you see that already. Yes, and that, you know. So continue watch the video, more for you to see. Bless. Welcome to Jamintel Road / Pamphret St. Thomas viewers and subscribers. As you can see, you see out here, so now viewers, if you know St. Thomas or ever visit St. Thomas before, out here so usually be a lot of sinky in the road. So even if you are coming on your vehicle, if you are coming too fast, you boom off of the road, you know, back in the days, you know. So what they are trying to do, they might try to get rid of that and hope that problem don't come back. I hope so, because when you drive out here so back night time when you sinky, you have nowhere to car your vehicle now, you know, you get to massive you can't stump on the road good. So what them put a lot of mall out here, so viewers. Out here so it's very high. Jamintel Road / Pamphret, yeah, very high viewers. And them have a black thing where them lay down before and then them throw the mall pan it. Forgot the name of that thing now. Oh my god. Anyway, I couldn't see it still, so you can comment down in the comment section and let me remind me the name of it. Okay viewers? Yes, so what am I trying to do now is try to get rid of that sinky what the road did have back in the days. Just hopefully it solve it, you know, viewers, because them did work on out here so already, you know. If you don't remember quite, you know, them work on out here already and it's still never solved. the sinky still come back in it. So that's hopefully this time it solve what them do. Okay? Bless up on yourself and continue watch the video. Manners and respect. My viewers, my subscribers, so look, notice on the video there's a glaze, so that glaze come from the glass that's on the vehicle. So I want to know if at the position of the sun at the time doing this video, or may I do something wrong, because there's a lot of time I go out and I do video, and when I come back and I look back on the video and I see it, me no bother put it up. Some of them, you know, bother put them down, honestly, because some of them is too much nice. As I was saying, as I watch a video, looking at the center, there's a glaze there, so it's coming from the glass. So I was asking if it's coming from the position or where the sun position at the time doing the video. Comment down in the comment section and tell me what I'm doing wrong, if I'm doing something wrong, so I can get rid of this glaze. I don't like to see it in no time at all. Honestly, me not like to see it. Anyway, hope you all enjoy the video. See you, okay, viewers? Bless up on yourself. Because it's not easy to burn gas, waste your time, leave, go places, go do video, and when I come back, this is the result of it. So there's a lot of time I put them up, viewers, and it paid me to see it, man. Honestly, me almost don't put up this, you know. I almost don't put up this video because I don't like to see it. So I'm saying to no viewers and subscribe, if you know anything can solve this problem, what I'm doing wrong, please comment down in the comment section, okay? Please and thanks. I know I don't have enough video equipment. That's what I really need some video equipment so I can get better footage across, but I'm not giving up. One day maybe we'll find a good Samaritan who can donate something to me. Anyway, bless up on yourself. As you can see, we are now at pondside. The gentleman in my work on this nice beautiful wall. Yeah man, I'm here to tell them I do a good work on it, viewers. So let us all take a look on it and make you all see it, okay, viewers? Watch a barrier, karate barrier, you know. Everywhere I come and see this barrier, you know. Not the same barrier, but same style of barrier, I tell you. My viewers, my subscribers, family subs,
I want you to take a look at this beautiful wall out of pondside. This wall is a beautiful wall. Whoever put on to this wall, put it damn good. Because don't render was as yet, you know. It's just a rough, it just rough out, you know. So sooner or later, them are going to refine it up by rendering it up and make it look more better. But as you can see, it looks beautiful, but I want to show you that. But the next thing I want to show you, viewers and subscribers, family subs. I don't know if you don't notice, you know, if you don't notice. Well, if you don't notice, because when you come on to road construction, we have some viewers and subscribers. They are very intelligent when you come on to them something. No mistake, them not play. Alright, look at now. This is a wall. And if you look on it, it's about away from, we don't call it the level right now, that it is big. It's about that. And it is right along, as you can see, right along it there with us. Not the whole of them at the same level, you know. This is about a foot away from floor level. So the whole of them not the pound one because actually the floor level not level. But I'm saying that to saying this. This is where the road level are coming up, viewers. Because see, these things that them all away sail up on them pipe here have let out the water. So this is where the road level are come. So the road have to come up here so in order for them here make sense. You understand me, viewers? If the road come up here so them don't make no sense. So it have to come up there so should in case that water run, it run through them. So the whole of them there, viewers, as I can see. So that is where the road level comes. But as we say, it's a beautiful work. Beautiful piece of work. So ever put them on it. So we have to say with the pondside, a bill right contract this in a bill right response for you. So viewers, you see the pan over there? Yes, as we say with the pondside. So when you look on the road now and judge it to where the wall is, you can see there are lots of mall go down here. So. Okay, viewers and subscribers, continue watching the video. Please hope you all enjoy.
So now that we come to the end of another video, and I hope you all enjoyed now, viewers. We bring it to you, make you see what's going on in the development of St. Thomas. It continues. If you didn't go and subscribe to my channel, thank you very much. You leave a like. Thank you very much. Watch out to add to me. Bless up, man. It do a lot to me. So we say see you people in the next video, you know. Safe travel on the gravel, you know. I'm out.